Welcome to first grade. I am Miss KOETH, and I will be your first grade teacher this year. I am so excited to meet you guys shortly, actually next week. Before we get started, I would like to share what I look like with my mask on. I will be wearing my mask. You all will be wearing your mask during the school day. When I put my mask on, I make sure it goes behind my ears snug, below my chin, and above my nose. Once I have it on my face and it's comfy, I try not to touch it. I just leave it alone. Today, other than talking about our masks, I would like to explore what we're going to be learning throughout the school year, as well as some of our rules we got to follow. Are you ready? Let's go! The first thing that I always expect within the classroom is choosing to be kind to yourself and to each other. And that is something that I will share different ways we can be kind, as well as I can't wait to learn different ways that you are kind to others as well. The classroom behavior expectations are school-wide and something we're going to be working on throughout the whole school year. The 3 expectations are to be safe, be kind, and responsible. And I cannot wait to work on these with everyone, as well as find some fun activities to go along with them. I know that you guys are all great listeners already, but within the classroom, we're going to be following whole body listening, which takes a lot, but I know you all can do it. This is going to help us with our learning so we can learn as much as we possibly can. Next, I would like to show you your desks. Each one of you will have your own desk in your own little area. In your desk will be all your supplies you will need throughout the school year, as well as the things you bring from home. A few reminders that I have posted throughout the room are to wear your mask and make sure you're washing your hands. These are going to be very important for us to stay safe and healthy this school year. Each day, I will be sharing a morning message, a daily schedule up on our smartboard. This will keep all of you informed on what we have going on throughout the day, as well as what special we have that day. Our specials include art, health, gym, library, and music. Our specials this year are going to be in our classroom. How exciting! Books will be given out on Monday for you to keep through Thursday morning. Our classroom library will then be closed from Thursday into the following week, so our books can be in quarantine. That way, they're safe and ready to go for the following week. Each student will have their own bin with their own number, where their daily materials will be provided in that bin, so no one will be sharing materials. Okay, I'm back. Do you feel better? Do you feel excited? Are you ready for the first day of school? I'm excited to see you guys next week, and I can't wait for this classroom to be filled with my students. That's the only thing that's been missing. So, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will see you guys next Tuesday, September 8th, for the first day of school.